Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I have something really exciting to share with you. We're going to learn how to use the power of AI to generate quiz questions from any piece of text using Magic Form. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to magicform.app. Once you're there, you'll see an option for add-on. Click on it. Then download option will appear. Click on that button. This action take you to the app. Here you will find the option for install. Because I have already installed, that's why it is showing uninstall. Once it's installed, Magic Form will be available inside your Google Forms. Now, open Google Forms and click on this add-on sign. Here you can see Magic Form. Click on it, then click Launch. It may take some seconds to launch. Once it launched, you'll see options for the question type, question content, and the number of questions you want to generate. For example, I'm teaching a class today and I want to create a quiz based on the lesson. I'll paste the lesson content into the question content field. I will choose 2 for the number of questions, and click Generate. Give it a few seconds to process. Magic Form uses AI to analyze the text and generate relevant questions. And just like that, within few seconds, we have our questions. Look at that. The questions are ready. But what if we want to generate true or false questions? Simply select the true/false option, click Generate again, and wait a few seconds. There you go. True/false questions generated effortlessly. Now, you might be wondering how to get the answers to these questions. It's simple. Click on Show Activity to review the questions and their correct answers. You can verify each question's answer here. Isn't that amazing? Magic Form makes it so easy to create quizzes and get the answers instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.